up, y'all? What's up? We back with another one. So, the LEDs came in for the Toyota. So, I'm gonna go ahead and try to switch those out. Looking real cloudy out here. The sun just went away. So, we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully, it won't take that long. And yep. So, we'll see what happens. Right now. Like I said, the plane stopped. I gotta go. So we'll see what we can do. Alright. Okay, my bad about that, y'all. So I'm back with another one. Same video, but I had to stop because I ended up grabbing the wrong set for the wrong car. I grabbed the 9005. That was for the Honda. I need the 9003. So I'm back at the crib now. So yeah, I got the wrong one. I picked up the wrong one before I left. So same brand, but wrong piece. Wrong LED bulb. I'm gonna show you real quick. So the one for the Honda, got the little plug on the back, like that prong. And this side is different as well. Hold on, bear with me real quick. Using one hand, hold this phone. Trapping on the phone. Yeah, so that's for the Honda. This style, that's the LED. So I needed this one, like I said, same brand, but basically both plug and play. One second. Yeah, so they both plug and play. But this one, as you see, got the actual plug. That's what the Toyota needs. So you can plug right into it. That's it, real simple. That's basically the difference. Put it right there. Yeah, it's basically the difference between the two. That plug and then this one. So I needed this one. So we'll try in the morning if I got some time. Go ahead and switch them out and whatnot. This one is the brighter one. I got the 6500K for the Toyota, and then 6000K for the Honda. So yeah, we're gonna make sure we got these in the morning. Try to knock them out in the morning, both sides, and then that'll be that. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. It'll probably be the same video. I just put them all together. But yeah, just want to let y'all know what's going on. All right, go. So we back, y'all. We back. Like I said, continuation, because I had the wrong one. So I'm out here up off the early morning. Gonna change these out. And I got the right bulb this time. I had to run out one some errands anyway. So figured might as well go ahead and do it. Get it done while I got the time. I like getting up early, or doing stuff early rather, before the rush hour hit. People coming out, more traffic, and department stores get packed. So I like doing my stuff early. I gotta run in somewhere real quick or something like that. Not that much traffic or volume. So let me get these LEDs out and ready to switch this bulb. I'm gonna start with the passenger side first, and then we'll work our way to the driver's side. All right. Put this glove on for the wrong side. Feels good out here this morning though. The weather started to drop down a little bit. Just a little bit. We into March. I mean, not March, I'm tripping. August. Alright, y'all, so I got one in there. Let's see how that turned out. difference. See the difference with this side and that side. What you see from the top and bottom? That's 65. Alright, let me switch out the other one. We got them both in. Hardest part was since the LEDs, the back piece is a little longer than the stock bulbs. Getting that little prong piece from the back side. So that was the issue. Other than that, done deal. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna end up doing the fogs too. Most likely next, but right now, the sun is out here, it's a little bright, so I'll probably do a little video when the sun go down, but they in there though. The LEDs make a big difference, so that's that on that. Like I said, the sun out, so can't really see it, but yeah. Alright, let me hit y'all back. I had a phone call, so I got the phone, but yeah. And that looks slick. Real slick. I guess I'll probably change the bottom one too, because ain't no point in having those like that. And then bottom was looking like how they look. Let's see. Might as well match it up. Or maybe go with a 8K, so it's like that blue, a real bright blue. Yeah, might as well do the bottom too. Yeah. Look a little better than what it did. Alright. We'll just rock out like that. Mean time in between time, as they say. I'll see how they look at night. Yeah, but that's a clean look right there. Real clean look.